What's up everybody, Dashwalker here with another video, and today I am playing Zombo Apocalypse, or whatever the hell that says. So I was recommended this by a couple other people, and so I decided to start playing it. I haven't played it yet, but I thought maybe I'd start it here with you guys. So let's get into it. Ironzilla. Alright, so I lied. I did go into it, but only to see if it was actually the right game. Oh, okay. So it's a 2D game, dimensional. Walk your character, I guess, like this. Space. Oh, okay. So you keep on going like this, I'm guessing? Take that, zombie! Take that! Eh, 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 I'm getting him. Oof, 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 oof. Mega oof. Eh, 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 eh. Ow, that hurts. Uh, uh. Alright, so I do actually recommend this game. This game is actually pretty fun. Oh wow, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Uh-oh. I'm gonna die. Get the gun, get the gun, get the gun. Oh wow, I can't believe I actually... Ooh, I'm dead. I'm dead. Fair warning, always run around. Always run around in the game because you do not want to die in this game. Because if it was real life, you would actually be pretty shook if you died. Oh well, you can't even be shook because you'd be dead. Oh wow, I ranked up. What do you know? Alright, so I served 160 assault rifle, shotgun, sniper rifle, pistol, machete. So I'm guessing you can earn more characters. Suicide bomber. Huh. Let's do another round. If you're really liking this video, or you liking my tiny videos that I do of multiple different games, please hit that like button. And 1, 2, 3, like spike. Yeah, baby. Boom. That's what I'm talking about. if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button to see more awesome videos like these. Alright guys, I gotta cut it here.